It is not the strongest that survive, but the one most responsive to change. Charles Darwin.
It is not enough to do your best. You must know what to do, and then do your best. W. Edwards Deming.
Lean is a way of thinking, not a list of things to do. Shigeo Shingo. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Henry Ford. Those who are not dissatisfied will never make any progress. Shigeo Shingo.
85% of the reasons for failure are deficiencies in the systems and process rather than the employee. W. Edwards Deming.
There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is a disgrace in fearing to fail. Henry Ford. Intellectuals solve problems. Geniuses prevent them. Albert Einstein. Valueless motions are equal to shortening one's life. Taichi Ono.
Trust is not built in big, sweeping moments. It's built in tiny moments every day. Brené Brown.
Defects are not free. Somebody makes them and gets paid for making them. W. Edwards Deming.
When failure is not an option, we can forget about creativity, learning, and innovation. Brené Brown.
A bad system will beat a good person every time. W. Edwards Deming.
The most dangerous kind of waste is the waste we don't recognize. Shigeo Shingo.
Without data, you are just another person with an opinion. W. Edwards Deming.
Without a sense of urgency, desire loses its value. Jim Rohn.
If you can't describe what you are doing as a process, you don't know what you are doing. W. Edwards Deming.
We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we use to create them. Albert Einstein.
In God we trust. All others bring data. W. Edwards Deming.
I believe the leader's job is to spread hope. Bob Galvin. Observing many companies in action, I am unable to point to a single instance in which stunning results were gotten without the active and personal leadership of the upper managers. Joseph M. Uron.
The right place and the right time is here and now. Michelle Ostaszewski.
The larger the island of knowledge, the longer the shoreline of wonder.
Ralph Wu. Suckman.
We cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust our sails. Knowledge is something you buy with money. Wisdom is something you acquire by doing. Taichi Ono. If you have always done it that way, it is probably wrong. Charles Kettering. Standards should not be forced down from above, but rather set by the production workers themselves. Taichi Ono. If you have more than 3 priorities, then you don't have any. Jim Collins. Learning how to improve is as important as improvement itself. John Shook.
We are being ruined by the best efforts of people who are doing the wrong thing. W. Edwards Deming.
Quality is not an act, it is a habit. Aristotle. Excellent firms don't believe in excellence. They believe only in constant improvement and constant change. Tom Peters. An organization's ability to learn and translate that learning into action rapidly is the ultimate competitive advantage. Jack Welch. Don't look with your eyes, look with your feet. Don't think with your head, think with your hands. Taichi Ono. Local optimization leads to global inefficiency. Eliyahu Goldratt. Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. Peter Drucker. If this lean stuff seems easy, you're probably doing it wrong. Jim Womack.
Whenever there is fear, you will get wrong figures. W. Edwards Deming.
The moment you begin to see waste, everything else will take care of itself. Paul Akers. If I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes about the solution. Albert Einstein. Continuous improvement means that we never perceive current success as our final achievement. John Hunter. If you are not getting better, you are getting worse.
Pat Riley.
Lean is a team sport.